Hi everyone, I'm Andy here and come back and show you another tutorial at how I ordered this Lollipop mirror embellishment. Okay, this is the second time that I do this record again. This because the video so blur, so I have to do again. So yeah, this is the kit. You will receive this image and everything for you to create this embellishment. Yeah, this is just now I do the video show you this one, but because of I already run out the button, so I have to this one I made this already but the image is a teddy bear, so I have to use this to do the tutorial again to show you. Okay, the original one, the kit is this, okay, not the bear teddy bear image. So yep, now I have to do again and show you, and hope this video will be fine. Okay, for this one, the image I already made the button, but it's the vintage girl, okay, and you have to let me prepare everything and show you so I will not mess up again. Okay, and before that yeah, I just show you this was, and have to put glue around, and if you have the strong glue, yeah, you can use a glue you prefer, but I get used to use hot glue, so you have to stick this onto your this, okay, like so. And this one, you see I make this color to match this, but the original one is different, the lace. Okay, what you need to do is for the kit you receive this wire, and you just go through all the bits inside the wire and follow your way, see which one the color you wanted. I just like this, and also have the sequins in the kit and rosebud. The difference is this lace. For the kit you will receive this colored custom match with the vintage girl. Okay, so yeah, just like so, and you have to measure the size before you glue. Okay, so yeah, you put on the bit and just make sure the size is fit. So yeah, okay, and this one I think I will put the rose, yeah, just like so. Okay, I think it's okay, and a bit loose, and this I can adjust something like so. And before, yeah, I will not cut this first because I will glue this later, then I fix everything, then I will cut it out. Okay, so what you need to do is just, and yeah, before I glue it, I show you the lace, how do I go through into the wire. And what I did is just like so. This one I show you just now for the video. Now continue. It's just do the running stage, just like do the running stage, and just go use the wire and do the like a running stage. Okay, so you get like so, and okay, something like that. So yeah, everything here, and the flower also, yeah, if you want to make your, yeah, you just put a little bit glue so your flower will not turn. Okay, So now I will put the hot glue and I will glue the bits. I need to do is just I will put all over before they dry. I will put this first. Okay, let me put it down and make sure you go in and so. Okay, you can put a little bit down or just cover it. So, and yeah, you have to check because just now I believe the glue already dry, doesn't matter. And I will add some more glue here and just again make sure everything glue nicely. Yeah, a little bit more. And this one I will remove because it's already dry. Yeah, I love to use hot glue, but hot glue is really fast dry. Make sure everything glue nicely and you twist the wire. Okay, so this fits like so, and cut. Okay, this is what you got here. Okay, you can see I will add the like a tangle beads here and here. This is, and use the thread and just you can see at the bead, okay, in, and yeah, because you can see they have the gap here, so you just pull your needle in and just tight. Oh, I ran out again, see, and the camera blur. Oh my goodness, hopefully. I have to keep checking. Focus. Let me do zoom. Maybe too near the camera so cannot focus. Okay, good. Lucky I have to check. If not, I have to repeat and do again. Okay, just like so. So you got this here, and make sure it's secure. So okay, and to make, and this one later you can put a little bit glue and hide the, okay. So this side you can add another one. Now I just show you one only because I have to save time. And for this one, for the tangle here, okay, and yeah, for the key you receive this one, yeah, just like so. You just use the thread and go through all the bits here, okay. And what I did is just want to secure the and you can just do the best, because later I will put the glue. Let me put in the needle, because I used too short to have to trim. Yeah, look at my teddy bear first. Let me go through. The hole is too small. It's really difficult. Please bear with me with my clumsy. Let me take another needle, bigger hole, so easy for me to. Oh my goodness! No rush, no rush. Yeah, you cannot do good things when you rush. Oh my goodness. Be patient. Sorry. Oh my goodness. I cannot go through the needle, the thread. Anyway, yeah, if I still cannot go through the I don't want to do another, the third time for this video, because I still have a lot of things to do. This really make me crazy. I cannot. Okay, sorry, I really cannot go through the thread to the hole, the needle, and I cannot use the very big needle because the bead is too small. See? I want to cry. Please. Oh no. Okay, sorry, I give up. Yeah, what need to do is just tie the secure. Yeah, just make sure. Okay. This. Yeah, just make it. Yeah, you hide the knot behind. Doesn't matter, cause just like what I did here, goes behind. Sorry. So when you glue, you cannot see the ugly part. Okay. So yeah, and now this ready, and I will use the to tie the tiny bow. Before that, I have to put a little bit glue here to secure this, to hold this, so it will not move around. So yeah, you just tie the tiny bow with your lace. Okay, be patient. Okay, sorry, my clumsy finger. Okay, I will. No rush. Okay, just make sure it's tiny, not too big. Okay, just like so something. Yeah, I can make smaller. So yeah, you got this bow here. Make it tight, and I want to make it more. Yes. Okay. later we just, this one later I will trim. Okay, and this one I will glue it here. This one I think the white not so nice, not so pretty. Maybe I use this one. Yeah, this one much more better. So this one I will use the hot glue first, because I cannot, yeah, the needle cannot go through. Never mind, I will use the hot glue. Okay, so and I will put the big glue here and put this here, so I have to dangle here, and at the back also need a little bit glue here, so the bow will not move. And this one you can just trim. Okay. Too long, I have to trim shorter. Oh, let me get another sharp scissors. Okay, make this short. Don't want it too long. Okay, like so. And this side I will add another tangle bits here. Okay, hopefully still have, I will not do now because I cannot, the needle is really hard to go through. So I will add one more, the tangle, just like this one. Here I have one, and another one here. If you want you can add more here, but I think two really enough. So I will make another tangle bits here, and this one so you can use this into your project, your lollipop embellishment. And this is the vintage girl, is your from the kit. Okay, like so. This is the back. So I really hope you like this embellishment, and please leave me a comment and let me know what you all think. And if you like this pin, please let me just zoom in. So give me a big thumbs up and leave me a comment and let me know what you all think. And I will come back and again and show you another tutorial. So thanks again for everyone, and bye bye.